Berber Scree says, if you appreciate my help, then please hit subscribe. Subscribe right here. Subscribe. Oh, yep, right there, subscribe. And if you like, maybe it would be helpful if you also like. Please like. Thank you very much, says the Berber Scree bird. Hi, it's Mark Kilgore, the bedbug engineer, and Sosa, the bedbug engineering technician, trying to get a Scooby snack. And what's the good word? What's the good word? Ha 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 ha! Look at that little baby. Oh, he's so good. Oh, he's smiling at his daddy. What are we going to do to get those bed bugs stamped out today, Sosa? Oh, those bed bugs, I don't want them biting upon my doggy. I don't want them biting upon my doggy. Oh, what are we going to cover today, Sosa? All right. So, today we are going to cover some kind of a topic. And that topic is going to be about cleaning up your area incrementally. It's about cleaning, okay? This is about cleaning. And cleaning up incrementally and giving those bed bugs less places to hide. Alright? Because the more of a mess that you have about, the more of a place that they have to hide. Right now, the messiest stuff I have in my room over here is right now is over here, generally in this corner and against this wall. I've got everything else is pretty much good to go. Some video gaming. Everything else is pretty much good to go. One of the big things is under your bed, okay? People like to shove things under their bed. You'll notice there's nothing under my bed except for the legs of the bed that have come off the bed frame and those there climb-up traps that are on every leg of your bed bug safe island. Alright? Because if you have stuff under your bed and it sits on the floor, of course it sits on the floor. Well, if it touches the top of this thing, then you've just given them a ladder to get up. You know, that includes these dog toys, some of them. You know, like the cheeseburger there. Look at Mr. Cheeseburger. He's a violation now. He's touching up there. He's definitely touching. Now those bed bugs, they can walk straight off the floor and up the cheeseburger and onto the bed. Get away, Mr. Cheeseburger. That's why you might not want to have Cheeseburger around. You might want to have him downstairs. You know, these tennis balls are okay because they're not going to cause a violation. And this guy, is he going to cause a violation? No, so he's okay to have around. Mr. Grunthog, I mean, he could if you set him up, but most of the time, Grunthog, he's going to lay down. And so, and the heart, I mean, if you purposefully tried, maybe you could make him, but, so, you know, you incrementally want to clean up your area, giving the bed bugs less and less place to hide. Over here, I would call a no reward zone. I'm not ever going to set any clothes over here, whether they're dirty or clean. A bed bug's got no incentive to want to go hide in there unless I'm doing a heat treatment. That'd be their only incentive to go over there to into that no reward zone. Incrementally clean up your area so that the bed bugs have less and less places to hide over time. And as you clean up your area, you'll probably find some bed bug hides. And you'll be like, yes, I have uncovered some hiding spots. And you want to get it until it is clean as this. Now, under there gives them some place to hide, I'll admit. And I believe that was one of their hides at one time. Because the last one that I ever found alive was in this sink here. And he was trying to climb up the side here. And I was like, wow, I never even thought about my sink being a climb-up trap. I've thought about the bathtub being a climb-up trap, but I didn't think about the sink. So, that's the scoop, right, Sosa? Incrementally clean up your areas so that bed bugs have no place to hide, right, Sosa? Well, Sosa's been good, so he deserves a Scooby snack. And if you think that I've been good and deserve a Scooby snack, then please subscribe right down here. And also, right over here is a good video. And I think this one is quality as well as this one. Now, what do you think, Sosa? Are we good to go? Oh, my baby. I love you, Sosa. Well, I love you, and Jesus loves you infinitely more. Bye.